I have a nest here. There's a bird over there. That is the father. And the nest is up here in my patio. And the father is coming to check what is going on here. I'm gonna sit back and wait for the mother is coming. Let's see what happens. The nest is up there, and they have kids here. He has food he wants to bring. I can see the mother is here also. The kids are up here. They now hear that the mother is here. So the mother is here, the father is there. They all have food. They want to feed the kids up there. As you can see, the mother is getting ready to come. She's coming closer and closer. She's thinking, what can I do? Usikuja? Wameenda, wameleta chakula. Wote wako hapa. Na record hawa dokta. Hebu funga mlango. So they are about to come. The mother is coming closer and closer. She is coming. The father is over there waiting. The mother is about to come in. She's coming. You can see she came. She's gone up there. She feeds the kid. The father is now moving closer and closer. You can see it coming. The father is a coward. The father is coming now. He's coming. He's about to get in there. You can see. I don't know why he's so scared to fly. He's taking really a lot of precaution coming. He's almost there. Not like the mother. The mother is so daring. She just flies in. But the mother goes through a lot of hoopers. The mother is so scared. He's about to say, okay, I'm gonna take a risk now. Wow. I didn't know the fathers take a long time to decide whether they're gonna come in. They don't want to take risks at all. He has food, he doesn't want to deliver it. holding on to it forever for like 5 minutes. The mother has come and she's gone to bring more food, but the father is still on the fence. Look at the mother is back again. The father is still there. Look at the mother. She's back over there. She's coming again. She's coming in. Oh my God. She's delivered. The father is still hanging on the fence, waiting. That is ridiculous. Look at the father. The mother is gone. The guy is still holding on. He's trying to come now again. Let's see if he's gonna make it or not. He's coming through the wrong route. So weird. The mother is about to come for the third time. She just took off. That's funny. Look at the mother is gonna come back again. He was unable to deliver the food to the kids who are waiting food. Let's go see what the kids are doing up here. How many kids are there? The mother has come back again to deliver food. You cannot believe this is for the third time. Where is she at? Over there. She's coming. Then she was scared while I was filming the babies. Let's see, she's coming again for the fourth time. Well, the father hasn't even delivered one piece of meal. The mother now has extra food. Let's see. She's about to come in. There she is. She's serving lunch. She got a lot of food in her mouth, man. Unbelievable. Come on, fly in there. This is the fourth time. The fourth time the mother is delivering food. She's gone.